In this video, I am going to show you how to set up IPTV on VLC Media Player. First of all, you need to download and install VLC Media Player. Go to your browser and browse google.com. In search, type VLC Media Player, download, hit enter. Here you will find VLC Media Player free download link. Download it. Click on VLC Media Player free download. Click on free download button. Close this pop-up menu. Then click on start download. Download is started. Download finished. Now you need to install VLC Media Player. Double click on installation file. Click on OK. Then next, then install. Installation is started. It will take few minutes. Installation finished. VLC Media Player is opened. Go to Media tab. Click on Open Network Stream. Here you can paste your IPTV URL and then click on Play. To find IPTV URL, go to your Google Chrome. Insert type M3U URL. Now hit enter. Here you will find lot of links for IPTV URL. You can choose free RTP and you will get here lot of free IPTV URL. Click on IPTV GitHub. Scroll down. Here the category auto, animation, business, classic, comedy, cooking, and you will find here number of channels, and this is the IPTV URL. I'm selecting animation URL. Right click and copy, minimize Chrome browser and paste the URL here. Now click on play. You have to wait few seconds and the IPTV setup is successfully completed on VLC Media Player.